is at Worthy Farm. Colin.
That is the Pyramid stage where Billie Eilish, Sir Paul McCartney and Kendrick Lamar will be headlining over the weekend. You might be surprised to see they're still building the giant screens for either side of the stage. But Glastonbury opened its gates at 8 a.m. this morning.
Look at the weather wherever you are in the country, but looks lovely. Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Jane, and good afternoon to you. Great weather for the first day of Glastonbury. Lots of sunshine. I think tomorrow is probably going to be mostly fine as well, but we are going to see some showers developing during the course of tomorrow afternoon. I'm hoping they are going to miss Glastonbury, but there is that chance. Anyway, these are the skies across the UK right now. Sunshine across England and Wales. A bit more cloud here in the northwest, closer to weather systems which are brushing us in the North Atlantic there. So beautiful afternoon and quite a hot one. I think the highest temperatures will be around the Midlands, 28 degrees, but where we have that breeze and the cloud in the northwest of the British Isles, it's closer to the teens. And those pollen levels are still very high, widely across the UK. I think from tomorrow they will start to ease.
Good afternoon. We're in for another warm and sunny afternoon with the temperature rising. You can see a beautiful sunrise over in Hammersmith from weatherwatcher Marsing, and that just led to more sunshine through this morning. Lots of blue sky. This is from weatherwatcher Nicholas over in Kensington.
Now let's talk a little bit about the weather. What a beautiful day it's been today. This is probably the last of the beautiful days at the moment. It's going to take a slight tumble tomorrow. Nothing too bad. We could see some thunderstorms. Let's take a look. We got up to 27, nearly 28 degrees at Heathrow today. Not quite as hot tomorrow, still warm. There'll be some sunny spells around, but also more cloud. And we've got a yellow warning in place for the risk of thunderstorms. So there could well be some heavy showers and some thunder and lightning chucked in as well. And then for Friday and the weekend, there's a chance of the odd shower, but still a lot of dry weather and getting cooler as we go into the weekend with some sunny spells, but also a bit more cloud. That's the weather. Here's the pollen. So we've still got high to very high levels of pollen around. The only good news is that we are getting to the end of the peak of the grass pollen season. From us all here at 40 Hall, have a super evening. Cheerio.
And what kind of weather are they going to have in Glastonbury?
Lovely and hot today, wasn't it? It's going to get cooler, Georgia. The weather's going to change in Glastonbury and for all of us over the coming few days. I want to show you this lovely weather watcher picture first of all. This is a Boyne in Aberdeenshire and the temperature was 26 degrees. The hottest day of the year so far in Scotland as the heat build today. But the next few days, the temperatures are going to be dropping. The weather's going to be changing. We're going to find some showers, some of them heavy and thundery.
The sun has been shining over much of the country today. The perfect day to get out and about. Maybe a boat trip even, which is exactly where we've sent Alex. Alex, I was going to ask you how it's looking. I can tell it's looking absolutely gorgeous.
I mean, Mary, I don't really need to say anything, do I? The picture says, well, a million things. It is just absolutely glorious here on the River Thames at the moment. Not a cloud in the sky. It's still feeling warm, some lovely evening sunshine. And I've had the real privilege of going up and down the Thames for much of the afternoon. I promise you, it's not been a jolly. We had to work really hard to get some lovely shots of some of the capital's most famous landmarks like Tower Bridge, St Paul's and of course the London Eye as well. Temperatures here this afternoon were at around 27 degrees Celsius, but it's been one of those days where the heat's been fairly well evenly spread. We saw 25 degrees across Scotland in Aberdeenshire. That makes it their warmest day of the year so far. But I have to say, it could all change for tomorrow. There is the risk of some thunderstorms developing. They're going to come up from the south, and that's led the Met Office to issue a thunderstorm warning over much of the southern half of England and for eastern parts of Wales. And that is in place for much of tomorrow. If you do catch one of those thundery downpours, you will know about it, but you may be lucky and escape altogether. It's going to be another warm day. While as we head through the next few days, expect it to turn cooler, particularly over the weekend. But for tomorrow, it's going to be another pretty warm day. If we take a look at the pressure pattern setup, you can see high pressure still in control, particularly across northern parts of the UK tomorrow. But notice that weather front down across the south, and that's coming up from France and what could deliver those thundery downpours where they do develop. As I say, the nature of showers quite hit and miss, so you may escape. Well, Mary, that's it from the Thames. I think I'm going to enjoy the last few hours of this beautiful evening sunshine. Back to you in the cool studio.
All right, and I'm almost convinced that it's not a jolly, Alex. Almost.
It's been a very warm day with temperatures in the mid to even high 20s in one or two spots. Tomorrow, also another very warm day, but we're expecting scattered thunderstorms to spread across parts of England and Wales, so it may not be all that sunny.
OK, let's hear about this sunny weather now. Darren is here with the forecast. Hello.
Hello there, Riz. It's been a beautiful day today. Temperatures have been climbing once again. We've had blue skies, hardly any cloud around at all. And temperatures today in London reached 28 degrees. We've seen temperatures rising day on day over the past few days. I'm going to spoil it now, though, because this is what's heading our way for tomorrow. The potential for some thundery showers. I'm supposed to be playing golf tomorrow. Not a good idea to wave a metal stick around, is it?
That's where we leave you this sunny Wednesday. Stay in touch with us tomorrow about the rail strike on our social media. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy your evening. Bye-bye.